Mayor Todd Gloria is taking extra measures to fight the fentanyl crisis. Mayor Gloria signed an executive order today directing further action and cooperation with law enforcement. City leaders say more than 800 San Diegans died from addiction and overdoses last year.
As CBS 8's Regina Urita discovered tonight, the mayor is targeting dealers and smugglers.
Tonight, Mayor Todd Gloria tells me an aggressive approach is needed to tackle the fentanyl crisis. He says Executive Order 2022-1 will help support and prioritize the work that the San Diego Police continues to battle on the streets. Fentanyl overdoses are leaving their toll in San Diego. So far, the crisis continues to worsen, and city officials are demanding extra efforts from the federal level and ordering tougher enforcement locally.
What I think people need to know is how serious and how pervasive this poison is on the streets of our city.
With so many people feeling the devastating effects of fentanyl, Mayor Todd Gloria signed an executive action that pushes law enforcement to focus on the sale of synthetic opioid.
Police department to prioritize the pursuit of dealers who push this poison onto our streets and harm our children, our unsheltered population, and really everybody. And then simultaneously work with law enforcement to hold these folks in custody.
Last summer, the Department of Justice labeled San Diego and Imperial counties an epicenter for fentanyl trafficking into the United States. And just recently, Customs and Border Patrol released numbers showing that in just 1 year, more than 6,700 pounds of the synthetic opioid was seized, an equivalent amount that could kill more than 1 billion people. Tonight, I asked Mayor Todd Gloria how these new efforts will hold predator dealers accountable.
We know that they target encampments and really deal their poison in those areas specifically because they're easy targets. These are people with existing mental illness and addiction issues. And what is very frustrating about this is these dealers do not care about their customers. They know that one pill can kill, and they still sell it. And that's why we think additional sentence enhancements are going to be necessary.
The executive order also announces the city's intent to pursue legislation at the state and federal levels. It also directs city staff to develop a plan with city council for the estimated $30 million in national opioid settlement funding that will be coming to the city over the next 8 years. Mayor Todd Gloria also tells me he will be heading to D.C. next week to request additional federal resources. Regina Urita, CBS 8.